Welcome to a new video, guys, and in this video we'll be mixing house music, like actual house music, not your retro house but modern house music at least. But yeah, let's get started. We have one track over here, Damn, which is an original mix, and even this genre from our previous videos, if you have noticed, I've been telling these genres follow addition and subtraction method. So if the starting of the song, usually every 8 or 16 bars the elements get added and it goes on like that, and usually the main core element of the song doesn't really start until 1.5 minutes of it, and at the ending of it, after the last part of the song or the last drop of the song, it starts going into the subtraction part of it. In between of the song also there are addition and subtractions going on, but it's more on it's keeping the whole groove and the energy maintained. But in the outros and the ending of the track, the drop is the second drop, and then the outro once the drop and the core theme is being played for not more than 32 bars usually, but 32 bars is the limit. But once the 32 bars is done, it goes into the outro part. Now over here we have this track. The tempo is a little too fast. Let's be at 127, I guess, now that I've started it too fast. Now we'll load the next track in. Now one more important thing, especially in this video, what I want you all to notice is that these are not in the relative key also. This is in F minor, like this one is in F minor, and this one is in D minor. You can see here, Now again we can see there's a break coming in, complete break, and now it has a very nice rise or tension building up from here, and it goes into the drop. And moving forward,
my account goes up, it's frightening, 'cause now I'm so rich, I'm bored of being exciting, damn.
now in house music usually we have these kind of nice synth elements, like a chord like chin 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 chin, like it's really nice. Now all of this there, I usually play all of this. You can't really skip this part. I usually play all of this. Now there's a second short break, like a pre-break, and then it goes into a rise or a build, and then again a drop. And now when the drop comes in, I'm going to start the next song, but I'm not going to start the next song from the first beat of the track. I'm going to start this from my A hotkey marker. The reason being is that, let's move forward. See, if you notice, it's pretty monotonous. Every 8 bars and drum elements have been added, and the melodic elements have been slowly adding up. And after 24 bars there's a short break. Not really a break, but this is just the beats are missing. The kick which is there, it is missing. And then we have your 32 bars. We have the kind of a pre-drop coming in, right? Yeah, again, if you notice, it doesn't really have that much energy or groove to it. Pretty empty. And you can also notice that synths and all has nothing really have started. The theme of the track, see, the core theme, chord progression has started now, and again still pretty much mellow, and now that's pretty nice. And then again after 8 bars it goes, or it adds, or it's something else has been added and something has been subtracted. Oh wait, it's still going on. Okay. Oh no, it's not. Okay, dude, this is really messing with us. Pretty nice creative way of making track. But yeah, if you notice, a choir has been added, like, oh yeah, like that thing has been added, and then it takes a break, and then yeah, this is going on, and then again a tension rise. And then again your drop has come in. Sorry for that before, but yes, again the drop has come in over here, and then again the core energy is in the last 16 bars, and then after the 16 bars it goes into an outro. Now let's listen to this drop also, because we skipped listening to this drop. See that the energy is pretty nice and groovy. It's going on for 32 bars and then outro. Now let's do this. Now we have noticed, what did we understand over here, that it's pretty monotonous over here. The interesting part is somewhere from here, right? The interesting part is somewhere from here, and then this comes in. Still doesn't really carry that much energy. The only energy part where it is coming in is in between over here, and then again over here. But I would start it from here, utilize all of this for my transition, and do the complete transition over here. So how would this sound?
Money speaks, but I'm not fighting to get a word in. See the stacks eyes hit lightning fast. My count goes up, it's frightening. Now I'm so rich, I'm bored of being exciting. Damn. Mama Sue's supposed to be loose to the roll my sheets with a brand new whip so cold, baby, hell froze over.
Make sure your volume meters are at 0. Even the master is reaching 0.
Mama Sue's supposed to be loose to the roll my sheets with a brand new whip so cold, baby, hell froze over. Dodging bad vibes in my blacked out Rover. Culture.
Slowly get it up. Still not interfering with the main track. That's good. If you remember previously, now we have some interfering elements. It's a little bright here. Let this go on. This is in the background now, but you can see it's almost now, it has gotten a little boring now. It's gotten monotonous. Get it up. Up, 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 up. Now this has entered the outro. And now we are going into this. They are off key, so you have to be very careful when you're introducing the other track. And now also use a loop here in ouch. Let's use this until it goes to the break part of it. Let's cut the mids and highs a little bit more so that there's no clash of any melodic instruments which might have been there. And now exit. Now let's use this, okay? Let's put a loop of 8 beats or reduce it to 4 beats. Slowly now. Bring this up. And then you go into the next track. Now, you have to quickly load the next track in. Now, I have missed the point where I want to start the song, so I'm just clicking 8 bars ahead and then being ready. And now 8 bars are done and now in. Oh, beat sync was on, great. Now, again, doing the transition. Now, this song also, every song is pretty much same and addition, subtraction, at least for the first 1.5 minute additions have been, elements are going on, and then the core element starts after that. Now, let's do the whole transition of it. Again, they are in off key. That's what it's important here. There's an E minor and there's an D minor. Keep the rhythm going on. Don't mess with this. Now it is going to go into the outro. Then a lot of elements are going to subtract. And now this is coming in, if you notice. Cut the mids and highs a little bit more so it doesn't really clash, and we are still maintaining the master volume at 0 dB. So if you notice, both of them are ending, right? When the new phrase is ending, this is also ending. So now what you can do is
I got love for my brothers. Facts. Look.
and then you enter the next track. Now, same, this song, we do not really have to listen to it, but by looking at the waveform, I can tell it is following the same progression of addition and subtraction, and it is also following the same thing of intro, break, not really a break, but a pre-break. Looking at the waveform, it's pretty easy, but what I would want you all to do is, whatever tracks you have, whatever music which you like to listen to the extended mixes or complete song of it. Go on Beatport and check how long the song is actually your favorite track is, and if you don't if you want to listen to them on Spotify, then check the reference length, if the track is really the same length or not. Usually in these kind of genre, what happens, they keep radio edits on Spotify, Apple Music and all, so don't try to use Spotify, Apple Music. use extended version or extended mix as a keyword for your favorite track, and then try to find the track and listen the whole thing. You'll see how the song is really made. And once you understand, do the work of understanding and diagnosing, not sorry, my bad, dissecting at least 50 of your favorite tracks in your, if you like tracks or whatever it is, in the similar genre. Stick to one genre and do that. And then you can see other genres also in the same, like melodic house, melodic techno, progressive house, afro house. They all follow similar structure and pattern of addition, subtraction, and at least for first 1.5 minute doesn't really start. The core theme starts much later. So all of this you'll come to understand. And after understanding that, it's all about practicing the transition. And when you're practicing the transition, what is important is that when your transition is done, it should not be like, or when you go from track 1 to track B, the energy momentum should not be like down and up and down and up like a wave. Make sure you're in a single line, the linear complete, or make sure the momentum of the energy your set is linearly going up. Should be in a linear, it should not be like a wave thing. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe. And if you want to learn more about DJing, make sure you check out our website destinyschoolofdj.com. We have offline as well as online classes anywhere from the world you can take from us. One-on-one sessions, interactable sessions. And if you want to do offline, you'll have to be in Hyderabad, India. We have a studio in Hyderabad, India. You can come down here and take classes from us over here. Now, if you have any other questions or doubts, make sure you comment down below. Or if you want to reach out to us, you can reach out to us on Instagram or on WhatsApp or on our website. Thank you for watching. Make sure you keep practicing and have a nice day ahead. Thank you.